Beta, we have started with hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table, beta. Okay. Now, what all thing I made you write in the class? This is what we have written in the last class. I'll just tell you, beta. Look, we have studied this. Hydrogen symbol is how much, beta? Hydrogen symbol is H, right? Hydrogen symbol is what, beta? H. Atomic number is 1. Mass number is also 1. Proton is also 1. Electron is also 1. Neutron is A minus Z. So 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, it is diatomic in nature. It becomes what, beta? You'll always see in the form of H2. All these things we have written in the last class. Okay, molecular mass would be how many hydrogen I have? 2. So 2 into H. What is the mass of one hydrogen? 1. So 2 into 1. So I'll get how much? 2. What do you mean by hydro? Hydro means water. Gen means producer. So it is water producer. Now hydrogen can exhibit two valency. When it is plus 1, we call it as only hydrogen. But it can also gain one electron. So whenever it is minus 1, we call it as hydride. What we call it as? Hydride. This is what we have written in the last class. In water, beta, H2O. What is the ratio? Hydrogen is to oxygen? 2 is to 1 by volume. But if they say by mass, hydrogen mass is how much, beta? 2. Oxygen mass is how much, beta? 60. Look, hydrogen 1 is 1, but 2 hydrogens are 2. So if I take the ratio 1 is to 8. So by mass, if they say in exam, what is the ratio? 1 is to 8. This is all we have written. What is the molecular mass of hydrogen water? In water, beta, how many H is there? 2. How much oxygen? 1. So 2 into 1 and this. So how much I get? 18. Now, how much portion of 18 is hydrogen? Only 2, na beta? So it is 1/9 the mass of water. It is 1/9 the mass of water. Look, 1 by 9 into 18, I'll get 2. And hydrogen was how much, beta? 2 or not? Tell me. And this hydrogen is 2. Clear? This all we have written in the last class. I hope all of you can see in your book. Where is your book, all of you? Keep it ready. All this we have written in the last class. Hydrogen. Very good. Anyways, then beta, we have done beta preparation of hydrogen beta. Now beta, we have already studied beta. Here there is an error beta. The first three element beta. This is करीना ने कार मांगी. कार है बेटा. सी ए लिखे. ये तो ये क्यों नहीं आया? ये तूने गायब कर दिया. Okay. Karina and car, they are highly reactive or not? They will react with cold water to give you metal hydroxide and hydrogen. We have written this last class. Okay. From Mangal Zindabad feeling. Mangal Zindabad feeling. Magnesium, aluminum, zinc, and Fe. They are moderately reactive. So they react with what? Steel. Because they are little below in the reactivity series, I'll have to heat them. It will give you metal oxide and hydrogen. Metal oxide and then beta, what all thing is there from Pb to other element? They do not react with water. Why? Because they are less reactive. They are least reactive. Clear. So who all can react with what? First of all, cold water, then potassium, sodium, and calcium. Then who all will react with steam? Magnesium, aluminium, zinc, and Fe. Clear? Okay. Acha. This first three will give you metal hydroxide and hydrogen. Look, this all we have done, beta. So first, beta, we are taking most reactive element. Who are the most reactive element? Carina and car. Okay. Carina means potassium, sodium, and calcium. लिखा था ये क्लास में. लिखा था. हाँ, लिखा था. तभी लिखा था. We have done everything in. You might have not written. All the students. Shut up. उससे पहले का है. देखना पहले. Potassium, sodium, calcium, beta, they react with cold water to give you corresponding metal hydroxide and hydrogen. Clear? This reaction is highly exothermic. So we cannot prepare hydrogen by this method. In exam data, they are very smart. They won't say potassium, they will say monovalent metal. Are you getting it? Then beta, we have, look beta, I have made you write all this thing. This is all you have written beta. Look here. I'll show you beta. Look here. Look, we have written this. You know, highly reactive metal. Who are the highly reactive? Carina and car. They react with cold water to give you corresponding metal hydroxide and hydrogen. Clear? Then we have studied about what beta? Mangal Zindabad feeling. I gave you this way. Mangal means who beta? Magnesium. Al means aluminium. Zindabad means zinc. Feeling is what? Fe. All these metal will react with steam. Steam. Can you see? Steam. Steam. They will give you corresponding metal oxide and hydrogen. They will give you corresponding. So look, they are not giving hydroxide. So magnesium will give you magnesium oxide and hydrogen. Aluminium will give you aluminium oxide and hydrogen. Zinc will give you zinc oxide and hydrogen. This reaction is very, very important. This last one. This last one was very, very important. They will definitely ask in exam beta who react reversibly. Who react reversibly? This reaction. Can you see this reaction beta? Fe plus T. This react reversibly to give you Fe3O4, magnetic oxide of iron and hydrogen. Is this clear to all of you? Hello, all this thing we have done. Then beta, we have written. These reaction are very important, huh, beta? Then we do reaction with what beta? Acid. Look beta, Carina and Car. Calcium, sodium, and potassium cannot be used with dilute acid. Why? Because the reaction is practically not possible. Why? Because the reaction is highly exothermic and not feasible. Acid में डालेगा तो it will catch fire only. Remember, so this also I made you write. Potassium, sodium, and calcium with dilute acid react very violently and practically not possible. So who all can react? No, yeah, feasible, yeah, possible. Who all can react then? Mangal Zindabad feeling. Mangal Zindabad feeling can react with what beta? Can you see here? I have written. Mangal means magnesium, Al means aluminium, Zindabad zinc. Feeling means Fe. They will react with dilute acid. I can either use dilute HCl or H2SO4. Dilute HCl or so they will displacement reaction. Beta, they are active metal. They will displace hydrogen or not? Tell me. Can you see they can displace hydrogen or not? Tell me. Hello. So you get corresponding salt and hydrogen. You will get corresponding salt and hydrogen. Clear? Now, after this, I gave you one reaction, one key reason why nitric acid is not used. We have used what beta? Dilute HCl and dilute H2SO4. Can I use nitric acid? Can I use nitric acid? No. Why I can't use nitric acid? Look, beta, why nitric acid is not used, beta? Look, why dilute nitric acid is not used to prepare hydrogen? Look, if I take nitric acid, it will react. Okay? And it will give you hydrogen. But nitric acid is a strong oxidizing. It decomposes to give nascent oxygen, which oxidizes hydrogen to. So look, I prepared hydrogen, but what will happen? That nascent oxygen will combine with that hydrogen and it will form what? Water. Therefore, nitric acid cannot be used. Clear? All this reason I have given to you all. Hello. So look, as nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent, decomposes to give nascent oxygen, which oxidizes hydrogen to water. So till here we have done in last class. Now I am going to go ahead. Okay, so today we are going to do laboratory method. Laboratory method. Okay. Now beta. Hey, we started with this hydrogen beta. Clear? Now we did all this thing. Right? We studied this cold water thing, this steam thing, that iron reversible, very important, magnetic oxide of iron. Then from acid Mangal Zindabad filling. Right beta? Yes. Now we can prepare hydrogen from alkali also. What is alkali? Yeah. Please, I want you to write this beta. We can prepare from alkali also. We can prepare them from what beta? Alkali. Please. Shh. Okay. Now I want you to write this. This will be your heading. With amphoteric metal. Shh. With amphoteric metal. Who are amphoteric metal? I give you trick. Janabe Ali Info. Okay. So Zinc is divalent, Pb is divalent, and aluminum is trivalent. They will react with concentrated alkali, hot and concentrated alkali. Okay, now what they are giving, beta? All of them are giving hydrogen or not? Tell me. Can you see this? They are giving hydrogen or not? Hello. Okay. Now I'll tell you, beta. Hey, this is alkali, and beta, this is amphoteric. It can react with acid as well as base. So zinc plus NOH. Yeah, you have to write this. Give this heading with amphoteric metal. With amphoteric metal. Zinc plus NaOH. So look, today we are starting with this part. Last class, we have studied that dilute nitric acid convert not be used. Now we are starting now. Zinc plus NaOH. Hey, what is the valency of sodium? Tell me, beta. Sodium valence is how much? Sodium valence is 1 plus. Zincate is how much, beta? 2 minus. So this will go here and this will come here. So what I'll get? What I will get? Start writing quickly. Sodium zincate. Can you see 2 will go here? So I get this sodium zincate and hydrogen. Copy.
So that is hot, concentrated.
Yeah, hot and concentrated. Hot and concentrated. Hot with amphoteric metal. Which are amphoteric metal? Zinc, aluminium, and Janabe Ali in pub. Hot and concentrated. Hot and you can't see this. I'll write it again. Hot and concentrated. Hot and concentrated.
Hot and
Sodium zincate. Why the name is sodium zincate? Have you understood? Because this I explain you na beta. Okay. Hey beta, when Pb and this you'll get. Hey Pb, this sodium valence is how much beta? 1 plus. Plumbite. This is PbO2. 2 minus is what beta? Plumbite. This is what beta? Plumbite. So this you will get Na2 PbO2. Sodium plumbite. Have you understood the name? Have you all understood the name or not? This was first. When zinc it you get sodium zincate. Then we study with whom beta? Lead. Then we study with what? Aluminium. But beta, whenever we use aluminium, beta, we also have to add water. Plumbite because O2. Plumbate is O3. Plumbite it is.
answer.
Now last one. If you see sodium valence is 1 plus. Aluminate is how much? Aluminate is how much? 1 minus. So this 1 will get cancelled. So we'll get what? NaLO2. NaLO2. Can you see? Sodium aluminate. NaLO2. NaLO2.
Sodium.
तेरा काम कर अपना चुपचाप लेके कहा तीनों लिखा क्या लिखा have you written the name of the no you have not written the name who will write the sodium zincate sodium plumbite okay write the name so all they so beta we can prepare hydrogen in exam what question I can ask name a metal which can prepare hydrogen by using water also acid also and alkali also. Acid also, water also. Yeah. So what you will either you can use aluminium or zinc, both. PB no. Why not PB? Because PB form insoluble coating.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now wait. Go slow. Done,
I
sir.
will show you.
Done, sir.
Please be careful in balancing. Here 2 will come to here 2, 2, 2, 2, 3.
Sodium and
2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Now, just pay attention here. Hey, I'm going to do lot of practice for a balancing equation. Okay, yes, I'm going to do that. But let us complete this part and then we are going to do lot of practice for balancing equation. Again, I'm going to do lot of practice for balancing equation.
I made the name
it's not a name.
Now, beta, we are going to do preparation of hydrogen by electrolysis. Yeah. Now, in electrolysis, many things they will ask. Listen. Okay. Done this, all of you. Hello. Okay. Yeah. Enough. Done, all of you. This three reaction of all of you have written. But I'll slap you all of you. All of you. यहाँ पे तू लिखना पहले, वहां पे पीछे क्या देख रहा है, कंप्लीट कर. Okay. Now. Done, all of you. Okay. Now we are going to do the next method. Now today we are going to do very important part. Okay, this electrolysis I'll explain, but before this electrolysis, I want to do this. I'll do electrolysis only first. Now during electrolysis, I am going to show you this properly. Please pay attention. Okay. Alright. Electrolysis.
Oh, sir का OPPT. Sir has crazy animation. Bro, culture Loki chill.
Bro, soul is in the lip.
Now we put a
Zap.
now we put word in a hole.
Elixir का
That's not facts.
Elixir का like करना.
Okay. Now, beta, very important thing. I want to do this first. Electrolysis. Before doing electrolysis, I want you to do this. This is very important, beta. Any worksheet of hydrogen they are given in the. No, not now. Not now. Okay. This electrolysis I am going to do, but before that, I want you to do this laboratory method and this Bosch process. Today, we are going to do these two. These two are very important. Bosch process and this. Chalo, beta. Now first, lab method. Shut your mouth and pay attention here. No, you don't have to draw. You just pay attention here and I'll give the mark.
Question.
Boss baby.
Okay, all of you pay attention.
Question.
No question. Right now, no. If you have question related to lab method, you have any problem? No. Lab may any doubt? No. Then shut your mouth. Pay attention here. This boy here. First, we are going to do preparation. Very important question. First, we have to take round bottom flask. Can you see this? Take a round bottom flask. Now, inside this, we have to take zinc granules, not pure zinc. Listen. We cannot use pure zinc. Why? We have to use zinc granules. Why zinc granules is used? Look, beta, this zinc granules I'm adding. Zinc granules. Okay? Stop making noise. Yes. Right? Why? Give reason why zinc granules. Because zinc granules are preferred rather than pure zinc, because the zinc granule have impurities which has a catalyzing effect. What do you mean by catalyzing effect? It will speed up the reaction. Give reason why zinc granules is used, because zinc granules have impurity. Zinc granules has impurity which has a catalyzing effect which increases the speed of the reaction. This word, pay attention here. Shut your mouth. Okay. Then beta, we have to put a rubber cork. And then through that, we are going to insert a thistle funnel. And through this thistle funnel, I will add dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. But I cannot add HNO3. Nitric acid cannot. This boy here, what is your problem? Both of you, just pay attention here. दोनों जन यहाँ पे देखो. Dilute HCl or H2SO4 we are going to use. Dilute HCl or H2SO4. I cannot use nitric acid because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent and it oxidizes hydrogen to water. Then beta, look, this is the, and then beta we take beta here water, and in water I have taken one gas jar, okay. I kept a stand for the collection of it, right? Okay, and then beta on this I have kept an inverted jar in which water is filled. Completely it is filled with whom beta? Water. Then I am insert the other end of the delivery tube. Look beta like this. This is the delivery tube. Okay. This is the delivery. Hey, pay attention here. This is the delivery tube. Okay. Now, here from the thistle funnel, what I am going to introduce? Okay, this is your delivery tube. Now through thistle funnel, what I am introducing? Look, dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. Okay. So now look, I will start. Why nitric acid cannot be used? Because it is a strong oxidizing agent and it will oxidize the hydrogen formed to water. This is very, very important. Clear? Now, beta, look. Start the experiment. Tip of the thistle funnel should be dipped into the acid. Look, can you see acid I have added? The tip of the funnel should be dipped. Very give reason. Precaution taken during experiment. Why this tip of the funnel? Okay, ये ऊपर रखना चाहिए. Why it should not be up? Why it should be dipped? If this would have been up, then hydrogen would have escaped through this. So in order to minimize the loss of hydrogen through the thistle funnel. Now look here, what reaction we are going to get. Look, it prevents the escaping of hydrogen gas through the funnel. Now look how the hydrogen gas is collected. Now pay attention here. Can you see this is completely filled with water? This is completely filled with water or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Now look here. These two will react and what it will produce? Hydrogen. So look, dilute HCl and these two will react. Look, can you see this hydrogen gas is produced? Now look, it will go through this. It will pass into this. But here there is water. Hydrogen is not soluble in water. So now hydrogen is lighter. So where it will remain? It will remain here or it will go up? But if it will go up, then what will happen to this water? If the water will come down or not? Tell me. So look here, I am showing here. Yeah, no, cup will not overflow. I'll show you. Here, from here the water level will rise. Look, I am going to show you now. Look into this, inside this funnel. Hydrogen gas will be liberated and it will move from here. Look here properly. 1, 2, 3, start. Look. Can you see this hydrogen gas? Now look, it is entering here. Oh, look. It is going. Now this hydrogen is going up. And look at this water level. What will happen to the water level? Look. Look, water is going down. Okay, and what has been collected here, beta? We have collected which gas? This hydrogen. Acha, what happened to the water? Water went down or not? Tell me. So in which direction water went? Downward. So water is collected by which method? Downward displacement of water. Water इधर गया, नीचे इसमें ट्रफ में गया. Okay, now pay attention. Listen. What is the method of collection? Downward displacement of water. Why not only? You will say why we have done all this thing. Why not we directly take one gas jar? इतना क्यों करने का?
Pinky.
So,
Why we listen? Why I cannot take a normal gas jar and I can collect? Why I cannot take normal gas jar? लोग ऐसा डायरेक्ट गैस जार में लेके भी कलेक्ट कर सकता था कि नहीं हाइड्रोजन इसमें. But in this normal gas jar there is air. Whenever hydrogen comes in contact with air, it forms an explosive mixture. It forms hydrogen when directly comes in contact with air, it will catch fire. It forms an explosive mixture. Yes. This is not at all related to hydrogen bomb. जितना मैं बोल रहा हूँ उतना सुनो. Hydrogen when it comes in contact with air, it will catch fire. Therefore, we cannot collect hydrogen in air. It forms an explosive mixture with air. Yes.
experiment in the lab, so we just put a test tube directly over your directly.
Okay. Beta.
And then they
Yeah.
tested hydrogen by lighting a matchstick and if it
burns with pop sound. I'll show you, beta. Wait. Look, beta. So look, an exam, beta, diagram-based question will come. Listen. First, they will tell you. Shh. A. They will skip. They will not give this part. They will tell you what is this. They say here. They will write a zinc gran. If you write only zinc, you lose marks. Zinc gran. What we are adding through the funnel, dilute HCl, or here hydro. Which gas is here? Okay, yeah, very good. Now, very important, please pay. What all different type of question they will ask? Pay attention. Zinc react with dilute HCl to give you zinc chloride and hydrogen. Clear? Instead of HCl, I could have written H2SO4 also. Give reason why zinc. Please, I want you all to mark. You will mark all this, huh, beta? Okay, I have given a question answer for this. Why zinc granule is used? Okay, because it has a traces of impurity which has a side catalyzing effect. Clear hai? Right? A. Why nitric acid was not preferred? Because it was a strong oxidizing agent and it will oxidize hydrogen to water. Okay. What was the method of collection of this gas? Tell me. Very important question. How it is collected? Tell me. Pay attention here. Pay attention here. Here is the class. Downward displacement of water. How it is collected? Downward displacement. Why? Because hydrogen is first very slightly soluble. It is lighter than air. And if it is not collected, then if hydrogen air mixture is highly, if I directly collect in gas, beta, in air, it forms an explosive mixture. It forms an explosive mixture. It forms an explosive mixture.
Precaution.
What precaution we have to do? During this experiment, there should be no leakage of flame. Why there should be no leakage of gas? Here. एक मारेगा भी उससे. Shut up. Just raise your hand.
Sir, as you said, it would come in contact with air,
Ah.
light on fire, so gas.
No leakage of gas, because if hydrogen leaks, it will come in contact with air and it will form an explosive mixture. It will catch fire. During this experiment, there should be no flame to be brought near the experiment, near the apparatus. Why? If hydrogen leaks, it will catch fire. Why the lower end of the thistle funnel was dipped into the acid? Otherwise, the hydrogen will escape out through the thistle funnel. Is this clear? Hello. Now in exam, what all questions they can ask? Okay, first, in this laboratory method, first question, what they will ask? Listen. First, why zinc granule is used and why not pure zinc?
Sir,
No, shut your mouth. Okay, you only tell me why zinc granule is used and why not pure zinc. Because what? What is going here in the class? You can't understand what? Because zinc granules contain what? Impurities, which has a slight catalyzing effect, which will increase the speed of the reaction. No, wait. Why? No, you are not supposed to heat here. ठीक है बेटा?
बोला
automatic.
यहाँ पे हीट है क्या? पहला फ्लेम बाजू में आना भी नहीं चाहिए. हैं? कहाँ पे? अरे बाबा, this is different. अरे look, I showed you the entire experiment. Look यार.
सर बस स्कूल में तो
अरे different experiment होगा.
That will be different experiment. Different experiment. Listen. Then next question. Why lower end of the thistle funnel should be immersed? It minimize the loss of hydrogen. Then why hydrogen is collected by downward displacement of water? First of all, it is very slightly soluble in water. It is lighter than water. And if it collected in air, it forms an explosive mixture. Entire apparatus should be airtight. Why? Because if hydrogen leaks, then beta it will form explosive mixture with air. During this experiment, no burning flame should be brought near. Why? Because if hydrogen leaks, it will catch fire. We can use dilute HCl or H2SO4, but we cannot use nitric acid. Because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It will oxidize hydrogen to water. Have you understood? And then balanced chemical equation. Whenever they say write an element here, so you don't write HCl, you write dilute HCl. Clear hai? Then beta, this is in small scale preparation. But I want to prepare in lab, in industry. In industry, when we prepare on large scale. We prepare on large. नहीं, इसमें कुछ लिखना नहीं है बेटा. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको बता दिया ना, यहाँ से पढ़ लेना बेटा पूरा. ठीक है? Now we are going to go for what बेटा? Boss process. What process? Industrial method. ये तू उठ जा वहां से. फर्स्ट पेज पे आ जा. उठ जा वहां से. उठ जा. कुछ नहीं किया तूने. उठने की यहाँ पे आके बैठ जा. बस. आगे आके बैठना, तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ, तो तेरा ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. आगे आगे बैठ. आगे आगे बैठ. चल. I'll give you after the class. नहीं, इधर फर्स्ट पेज पे आ. क्या? हाँ, yeah, you don't. I gave you last class all of them. हाँ, तो you might have lost it then. I gave to all the students who were here. हाँ, two, one writing and one this thing. Industrial process. Industrial process is boss process. ठीक है? Now in exam, first question. Commercial method. If I want to prepare hydrogen on large scale, then what method I do? Now, beta, here there are 4 steps, beta. What are the different steps? I'll explain you, beta. First step is what, beta? First, yeah, I'll tell you, beta. It is coke. First is production of water gas. Production of water. So, wait, listen. Okay. White hot coke. Who are the reactant in exam? They can ask. White hot coke means it is a form of a carbon. It is not the coke which you drink, please. It is a form of carbon. Then this is steam. How much temperature I am using here? 1000 degrees. Okay. Now please, here this first step is what beta? Minus triangle means it is endothermic. In MCQ I can ask. First step of Bosch process is what beta? Endothermic. Endothermic. Acha, what is formula of water gas? CO plus H2 is called water gas. CO plus H2 is called water gas. CO plus H2 is called water gas. Now, here the reaction will not stop. In second step, beta, what we are going to do? I am going to take this water gas and I'll keep it here. Can you see this is water gas or not again? Now in this I pass excess steam. What I pass? So now these two will react. These two will react to give you carbon dioxide and hydrogen. And plus triangle means second step is what beta? Exothermic. Yeah, exothermic. In exam they will ask you Bosch process. First step is exothermic or endothermic. First step endothermic. Second step is exothermic or now in second step beta what you get? Carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Now what all question they will ask related to second step? Who is the catalyst here? Who is the catalyst? Iron 3 oxide or ferric oxide. Who is the promoter here? Chromic oxide. Chromic oxide or chromium oxide. What is the temperature in the second step? 450 degrees. What is the promoter? Promoter increases efficiency of catalyst. Now, you only tell me, Akshaj beta, I wanted here what? Tell me beta, I want hydrogen. Now, what all thing we got in the product side? Tell me. Carbon monoxide as well as carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So, I want to get rid of this or not? I want to remove CO. Mayuru beta, I want to remove this CO and I want to remove this CO2 also. I want to remove it. So, third step, how to remove CO and CO2. This is very important. They ask this very frequently in exam. How to remove CO and CO2. So, how to remove CO2? Removal of CO2 by dissolving the mixture in water under pressure or by adding which solution? Caustic potash solution. They won't ask the reaction, but they will ask this. Which solution we have to add? Caustic potash. Caustic potash means KOH. Same thing. Caustic potash. Caustic potash is what is used to remove carbon dioxide from hydrogen? Caustic potash solution. Caustic potash solution. What is used to remove CO? Carbon monoxide by dissolving the mixture into ammoniacal cuprous chloride solution. By dissolving the mixture into ammoniacal cuprous chloride solution. So now I have removed CO and I have removed CO2. So what will remain? Hydrogen will remain. Yes. Ammoniacal cuprous chloride. Look, cuprous valency is 1 plus, chlorine is 1. So this is cuprous chloride. Okay. Now ammoniacal means in this cuprous chloride I have added NH4OH, ammonium. So therefore, we call it as ammoniacal cuprous chloride. They won't ask that part. You have to just remember the name. So now what all question will come? चलो बेटा आ जाते हैं first question बेटा. First question what they will ask this little fellow Shivain. Shivain beta, what is the name of the industrial method or the commercial method? What is the name? Boss for preparation of hydrogen. Okay, in first step beta we prepare what beta? Coke, white hot coke plus steam, 1000-degree temperature you get water gas, and the reaction first step is exo or endo? Endothermic. First step is endothermic. Okay, then in step 2 beta we will take wait, water gas plus excess steam. Then beta, who is the catalyst here? Iron 3 oxide or ferric oxide. Who is the catalyst here? Chromic oxide. What is the temperature here? 450 degree. Okay, so this step is exothermic. Then how to remove this CO from hydrogen? CO is removed by dissolving into ammoniacal cuprous chloride solution. How will you remove this CO2? CO2 by dissolving the mixture into what? Caustic potash. Caustic potash solution. हाँ बस या अंडर वाटर प्रेशर ठीक है ना बेटा online students are you all getting it what type of question they will ask based on this hello
Yes, sir.
here so these are very important question which they ask okay now we have to do electrolysis mein what we generally do beta we take acidified water why acidified water because pure water is bad conductor pure water is so I take water and that I add few drops of acid. So we call it as acidified water. We call it as what? Why? Because pure water is a bad conductor. So now in acidified water I will pass what? Electric current. Electric current I will pass. Then beta, when electric current is passed, then what all observation will see? So this will dissociate to give you hydrogen plus oxygen. I need to balance this equation. So here there is O is 1. Here it is 2. So I'll put here 2 or not. So 2 into H2. And this 2 into O is 2 only. So this is 2 only. Now beta, they will ask there few things. What is anode and cathode? So I gave you one trick beta. Papa. Cartoon. Papa. Cartoon. What is Papa? P means positive. Positive is what beta? Anode. So what is an anode? Anode is an electrode which is connected to which terminal of the battery? Positive terminal. Cartoon. Cartoon में cat. Cat stands for what? Cathode. Cathode is which terminal? So what is cathode? It is the terminal. It is the electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery is cathode. Electrode which is exam में आएगा. Electrode which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery is what? Anode. Clear? Then beta we pass this. Acha. Now what? Acha. Now here what will happen beta? Hydrogen is what beta? It will get collected at what? H प्लस होता है ना पॉजिटिव किसके पास जाएगा हाँ नेगेटिव के पास जाएगा और ये नेगेटिव है तो किसके पास जाएगा पॉजिटिव तो हाइड्रोजन गैस इज कलेक्टेड एट विच टर्मिनल बेटा नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑक्सीजन इज कलेक्टेड एट विच टर्मिनल पॉजिटिव व्हाट इज द रेशियो 2:1 is this clear अच्छा now then they will ask you what is electrolysis okay so first of all during electrolysis they will ask all these terms listen carefully okay electrolysis can you see electroacidified water so oxygen can you see hydrogen oxygen was collected to oxygen कहाँ पे हुआ था बोलो बेटा ये oxygen क्या था बोलो बेटा नेगेटिव तो कहाँ पे कलेक्ट हुआ बोलो हाँ तो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल और एक ऐसा तुम्हारा बोलो बेटा नेगेटिव टर्मिनल तो पॉजिटिव इज पापा एनोड एनोड इज पॉजिटिव एनोड पे कौन आया बोल बेटा ऑक्सीजन नेगेटिव टर्मिनल को क्या कहते थे कार्टून कैथोड कैथोड पे इज कलेक्टेड हाइड्रो कैन यू सी द वॉल्यूम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज डबल बेटा हाइड्रोजन इज डबल राइट ना बेटा एंड ऑक्सीजन इज ओनली हाफ कैन यू सी इसका ये डबल है कि नहीं बोलो बेटा ओके नाउ गिव रीजन Okay, what is electric current is passed through the distilled water acidified with few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. Why distilled water does not conduct electricity? Pure distilled water, only distilled water does not. Why? Because there is no free ions. Okay, when it becomes acidulated water, when you add few drops of acid, then only it will conduct electricity. Then only it will conduct. Okay, beta, they will ask you what is anode, what are electrodes. Okay, anode is what, beta? Tell me, anode, positive. It is the electrode connected to positive end of the battery. Cathode, cartoon. It is the electrode connected to negative end of the battery. Who was the electrolyte? Acidified. जो water लिया था ना हम लोग ने, acidified water was your electrolyte. What is an electrolyte? It is a solution which allows the current to pass through it. Non-electrolyte will not allow. Clear है बेटा? Hello. So all these terms they will ask you, beta. What all terms they will ask you? Anode is connected to what? Electrode connected to positive terminal. Electrode connected to. Clear है बेटा? Okay. A electron enters the electrolyte through anode. Electron leaves the electrolyte through cathode. ठीक है? Current enters बोला. Electrolysis क्या है? The process of water got decomposed. One reactant was there. It gave you two different product or not? Hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. In which state? Aqueous state or molten state is known as what? Electrolysis. मोल्टन मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? सॉलिड NaCl इज अ बैड कंडक्टर, लेकिन वो नमक को तो हीट करेगा तो इट विल मेल्ट. ओके, सो दैट इज नोन एज मोल्टन और फ्यूज्ड. नाउ व्हाट प्रोडक्ट यू गेट एट एनोड एंड कैथोड? लुक दे हैव गिवन. प्रोडक्ट एट कैथोड क्या था? हाइड्रोजन. एनोड पे क्या था? ऑक्सीजन. व्हाट इज द टेस्ट फॉर हाइड्रोजन? बर्न्स विद पॉप साउंड एंड पेल ब्लू फ्लेम. ऑक्सीजन के लिए क्या था बोलो? रिकिंडल्स ग्लोइंग स्प्लेंड. रिकिंडल्स glowing splint. That is a test for oxygen. Then we did this, the laboratory method we did what? We did what? Array, industrial process also. Now today we are going to do what now? Properties of hydrogen. Shivane beta hydrogen. Yeah. Hydrogen is what? Colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-poisonous. Underline, it is the lightest gas. It is which gas?
Lightest.
Lightest gas. Okay. A very, very, very slightly soluble in water. It is neutral. Neutral, so it will not affect litmus. Blue litmus will remain blue only. Red will remain red only. Clear है बेटा? अच्छा, in exam they will tell you prove that hydrogen is lighter than air. So what we are going to do, beta? Look, I am going to take here soap solution. Then here, beta, zinc and HCl. Which gas will come here? Hydrogen. Hydrogen will enter into the soap bubble. Then the soap bubble will remain inside or they will move away. They will rise up. Why they will rise up? Tell me, because hydrogen is which gas? Lighter. Hydrogen is this gas? Lighter gas. So conclusion what, beta? Soap bubbles are filled with hydrogen and they will rise up. Why? Because it is lighter than air. Okay. Then beta, another way of doing. In this there is beta hydrogen and air. Right, beta, if I bring glowing splinter, okay, filled with air. So what will happen, beta? A pop sound is heard in which test tube, beta? A side में या B side में? नहीं, A side. अरे बेटा, यहाँ पे वो लोगों ने दिया ना बेटा, पॉप साउंड बोला है ना बेटा. पॉप साउंड तुम्हारा अभी टेस्ट. अरे बेटा, तो A में नहीं होगा बेटा, ऊपर चला जाएगा ना हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन ऊपर चला जाए. अरे पहले मैंने हाइड्रोजन नीचे रखा था और ऊपर एयर था. लिसन. Now tell me, after mix A और A, बेटा देगा टू टेस्ट. एक में हाइड्रोजन है ऊपर, हाँ ऐसा रखा है, तो अभी थोड़े टाइम के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? हाइड्रोजन ऊपर चला जाएगा, ठीक है, और एयर विल कम बिलो. सो पॉप साउंड विल सी एट द अपर टेस्ट. देन कंबस्टिबिलिटी. प्लीज एग्जाम में आएगा बेटा. डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन प्योर हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन एयर मिक्सचर. प्योर हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन एयर. Pure hydrogen burns quietly with pale blue flame. Pale blue flame. But hydrogen air mixture or impure hydrogen होगा तो it will burn with pop sound. It will explode with pop sound. It will explode with what, beta? Pop sound. Clear? Now next, a chemical reaction. All this we have done in chemical reaction. All these are which reaction? Tell me. Combination. All these are which reaction? Combination or synthesis or addition. Remember? Hydrogen plus oxygen gives you water. Hydrogen plus chlorine will give you HCl. Remember beta, nitrogen plus hydrogen is got beta reversible reaction. Temperature 450 to 500. Catalyst finally divided Fe. Okay, right beta. Ammonia is the only basic gas form. Hydrogen plus yellow non-metal. Sulfur. Hydrogen plus yellow non-metal is sulfur. So you get what? Hydrogen sulfide. Proton X smell gas.
We did this experiment.
Yeah, very good. Now beta, hydrogen is used as which agent? Hydrogen is used as which agent? Reducing. अच्छा, now tell me beta, it has reduced zinc oxide to what? मायरू, जिंक ऑक्साइड से क्या बन गया?
कुछ
हाँ, तो साइज कम हो गया कि नहीं? इट हैज रिड्यूस हो गया कि नहीं? फेरिक ऑक्साइड से मेटल ऑक्साइड से मेटल बन रहा है. मेटल ऑक्साइड टू मेटल, मेटल ऑक्साइड टू metal reduce. So they are undergoing. So hydrogen act as which agent? Very good. Reducing agent. Reducing agent. नहीं, मैं बता था क्या इसको डिकम्पोजिशन नहीं बोलेंगे. Okay. Now, very important, hydrogenation. Beta, you know, beta, I can prepare ghee from, when we prepare from cow buffalo. ओके, तो वो कहां से मिलता है बेटा? वो तुम्हारा एनिमल फैट होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? लेकिन तुमको पता है हम लोग ट्री, हाँ ट्री से भी हम लोग, ट्री फ्रॉम वेजिटेबल ऑल्सो वी कैन मेक घी. हाँ, उसको कहते हैं वनस्पति घी. क्या कहते हैं? हाँ, वनस्पति घी. डालडा घी एक फेमस ब्रांड है. अच्छा, ये वनस्पति घी, the ghee which we get from plants, it is cheaper as compared to we get from animal. And that process is known as hardening of oil. That process is known as. So what I am going to do, beta, I am going to देखो palm tree से palm oil को भी convert into palm घी बनाते हैं. Oil को beta, I will do hydrogenation. I'll add hydrogen to this, so it will form what beta? घी और semi-solid fat बनेगा. Vegetable oil into semi-solid fat. Clear? So, acha. Now in this process they will ask, what is hydrogen? It is the passage of hydrogen under pressure at temperature 200 degree. In this process, vegetable oil in presence of a catalyst like nickel to give semi-solid fats. Semi-solid fats on cooling. Semi-solid fats on cooling. Clear? So oil, therefore it is also known as hardening of oil. Have you seen oil in the bottle beta? Oil कैसा होता है? ऐसा free flowing होता है. ऑयल ऐसा फ्री फ्लोइंग होता है. अगर बेटा ये घी बन जाएगा तो घी फ्री फ्लोइंग होगा क्या? इट वोंट बी फ्री. वो हाथ में गर्म करने के बाद नॉर्मल पे घी फ्री फ्लोइंग होगा क्या? तो आपने देखा है कभी घी बॉटल में ऐसा सॉलिड ऐसा बैठा रहेगा, और ऑयल रहेगा तो ऐसा ऐसा करेगा, नहीं रहेगा तो ना रहेगा ना. ठीक है ना बेटा? एनीवेज, दैट इज हार्डनिंग ऑफ ऑयल. क्लियर है? Hardening of oil. Now, beta, I want to prove whether hydrogen catches fire or not. Okay. Okay. एक अच्छा बेटा, मैंने क्या करूंगा बेटा? हाइड्रोजन इज कंबस्टेबल. It catches fire. But does and it is a non-supporter of combustion, but does not allow other substance to burn it. क्लियर है? तो क्या किया बेटा? देख, मैंने यहाँ पे बर्निंग कैंडल लिया, इसमें हाइड्रोजन गैस लिया था बेटा. तो अभी मेरा ये देखिए, हाइड्रोजन बर्न्स एट द माउथ. ठीक है ना बेटा? अभी जब ऐसे में नट डालूंगा तो ये कैंडल क्या हो गया? बोलो बेटा. बुझ गया. तो इट इज कंबस्टेबल, so hence burns at the mouth. हाइड्रोजन में लाया तो देखने यहाँ पे बर्न हो रहा था माउथ पे, लेकिन बेटा अगर मैं पूरा ऐसा बंद कर दूंगा तो क्या होगा? बट डज नॉट सपोर्ट कंबशन एंड द कैंडल गेट एक्सटिंग्विश्ड. Now we have to prove that hydrogen is a strong what beta? Reducing agent. तो देख, इसने कॉपर ऑक्साइड को किसमें कन्वर्ट कर दिया? कॉपर. किसने, किसके वजह से वो कन्वर्ट हुआ? हाँ,
सर डिस्प्लेसमेंट.
ये नो, इट रेडॉक्स में आएगा. रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. H a combustion of hydrogen in air. If I take hydrogen in air, if I bring both together, it will catch fire. So it is beta conclusion, hydrogen on combustion in air produces what? ये बिना ये जो वाटर वाटर बनेगा और ये वाटर कंडेंस होके कूल हो जाएगा, तो इट विल फॉर्म वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स। ए यूजेस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन इज, अच्छा बेटा आपको पता है व्हेनेवर वी फिक्स दिस ग्रिल, अपने वहां पे लोखंड का ग्रिल लगाते हैं ना विंडोज पे और डोर के ऊपर, तो वो कटकी करने के लिए हम लोग बेटा ऐसा ये नहीं यूज करते नॉर्मल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, वी यूज व्हाट बेटा, फ्लेम, ऐसा वेल्डिंग करता है, वेल्डिंग देखा है ना बेटा, जॉइन टू और मोर मेटल। व्हाई हाइड्रोजन इज यूज इन वेल्डिंग? बिकॉज hydrogen when react with air it forms an highly exothermic reaction and it produces temperature of up to how much? 2008. So later your iron rod will melt easily. They will melt. They will melt easily. Right? So therefore it is used. Why hydrogen is used? Because hydrogen when a hydrogen combustion is highly exothermic. So lot of heat will be released. Right? हाइड्रोजन इज यूज इन मेकिंग व्हाट, ऑयल से घी, वनस्पति घी बनाया कि नहीं? राइट, वनस्पति घी दिख रहा है, या लेटर इज, दिस इज योर टेक्स्ट बुक ओनली। फैट, दैट इज सेमी सॉलिड फैट। Okay, what we are using catalyst here, platinum or nickel or gold. अरे catalyst uses nickel, very important given. Now, hey, what all thing I can prepare with hydrogen? I can prepare ammonia or not? Tell me. So nitrogen plus hydrogen will give me ammonia. This ammonia is used as a fertilizer in making explosive also. Okay, acha, how to make whether the hydrogen is pure? A pure hydrogen will burn. Pure hydrogen will burn quietly with pale blue flame. बस बस please, I will ask question. Hydrogen air mixture burns with pale blue flame quietly, pure hydrogen. But if it is a hydrogen air mixture or impure hydrogen, then it will burn with pop sound. It will burn with pop sound. Pop sound. Pop sound. Bas. Now, this is very, very important. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. This is very, very important, and they will ask this in exam. Very, very important. Are you sure, beta, they have started with water in your school? Okay. Now I want you to write this. This is very, very important. Please. Not at all. We have to write this. This is very, very important. Please count slowly to the 10. Yeah. I want all of you. Yeah. I want all of you to write this, please. Your heading will be, please, oxidate. A. Start writing. Mayuru beta, start writing.
Yeah, Myra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heading is oxidation and reduction.
Put my phone instead of this, please.
No. Oxidation, I cannot go there. Okay. Now, later.
Yeah,
Okay, all of you. Oxidation means what, beta? Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. ए नहीं इधर देख, और बेस्ट ट्रिक क्या है? लियो. लियो मीन्स
Germany.
loss of electron is oxidation or increase in charge. ए भाई बस reduction. Reduction and oxidation are opposite of each other. Please copy this.
So easy.
Leo Messi.
You're good.
I swear, Leo wants to. तेरा फोन खराब हो गया पर चार्जर से अलग बटन बोर्ड हो गई पहले तो हाँ
How much battery does he have? 85 or 90? Yeah,
Hey,
then
whose
shut
phone
up.
is this?
Phone.
Whose-
चलिए यार
Hey,
100%
just shut him up. Hey, sit there. Sit there. Sit there. No. Sit there. Sit there. Sit there. Enough. Copy this. Copy this.
Get your progress.
Hey, no progresso. Copy.
So
Yeah, we will.
No, just a
pizza language.
No means no. No means no.
After the
No means no.
after
No, after the class. After the class. Sit down. After the class. I'll throw the phone. Otherwise.
Sir, 2%.
This phone takes 7 hours to charge. Actually, so मैंने निकाला था वो 1 सेकंड में. What is that thing? And I took it out to Dali को change करके देखे so छोटे भी actually takes खाली काला होगा ना total क्या है? My phone. And then it's 100%. That's good. Mine चल रहा है
But तेरे लिए अब PDF shop से
Mine check out Google. OnePlus
मेरा बहुत पुराना Samsung speaker.
You know what I mean? I use that at NASA. The Wi-Fi was kilobytes per second. I would just click it every day, and then when my boss came, I would just delete it and then upload it back.
I hope all of you have written this. Now let us go to the next one. Okay, this is very important. Very important in exam. They will ask this. What question they will ask? Look, beta, I have given you this. All. Okay. ले beta. ले decrease in charge or increase in charge. Listen. Now, beta, in this you have to remember very simple thing, that is your number line. What do you have to remember? Number line. What do you have to remember? Number. Achha, look here. I hope all of you have written this.
So sir, this one so 1 minute.
A, oxidation is what? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, or LEO. LEO means loss of electron is oxidation. Best thing is to remember increase in charge. Reduction is what? Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, and in terms of electron it is Germany. GER, gain of electron. And in terms of charge it is decrease in charge. In terms of charge it is
Decrease.
decrease in charge. Now in exam beta, if I ask you this, listen. This number line, I want you all to write this. A, if you go in this side during a chemical reaction, then you are undergoing oxidation.
Germany? Do you have a scale?
And no scale, freehand. I
So
want
you didn't do free.
freehand. If you ये कॉपी करना है चुपचाप जा हो गया बेटा
So okay, I used the textbook. I didn't use it.
Wow.
Sir, free hand.
I don't know. Why you don't understand?
I know that I just
So, ask. If in any reaction, if your number line, if charge go this way, then it is oxidation. If you go in this way, then it is reduction. Then you will say, sir, we are not understanding anything. What is happening? I'll teach you. I will teach you. Don't do
It's a fast sound.
Now in exam, what type of question they will ask? Chalo. You have to tell me. Let us do this. Let's do it. Everybody, let's do it.
But I don't. Yeah, this is nice.
This is the end. Okay. Okay. Alright. Pass. Pass. Okay. Now, I want to give you few examples to you. What I'm going to give you few examples. I'm going to give you a few examples. Come on. Not this, not this. I'm going to give you some other example, not on this.
This is my social
Steps.
Okay. Now, I will give you one reaction and I'll tell you whether it is oxidation or reduction. First example. I have written here like this. Sodium.
No, shut up.
You have to identify whether it is oxidation or reduction.
Sir, oxidation reaction.
This is oxidation.
Oxidation reduction. Oxidation reduction. And tax wish. My tax collection नहीं है.
Shivesh.
अरे मत कर.
Oxidation.
Hindu बुद्धू.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
Listen.
listen, all of you. Now, look, beta, again I'm telling you. What you have to do in this case, if you want to identify whether it is oxidation or not. You know, atom is electrically neutral. Does atom has any charge? तो इस पे कितना चार्ज है? जीरो. ये एटम है ना बेटा. इस पे कितना चार्ज दिया है? तो जीरो से क्या बन रहा है? एक. जीरो से क्या हो रहा है? तो बेटा चार्ज बढ़ रहा है ना. I am going in this direction or not, Myra? It is what? Oxidation. Now tell me, beta. Myru, now tell me this. Tell me, beta. Chlorine all alone is zero or not? Here it is becoming -1. So am I going on this right hand side or left hand side? Very good. So it is what, beta? Reduction. कबीर, यहाँ पर देख. कबीर नहीं बेटा, ये वाला. ए शिवे यहाँ पे कितना है? 2+. और यहाँ पे कितना है? तो तू नंबर लाइन में कहाँ पे जा रहा है? इधर पे जा रहा है या ऐसे जा रहा है? बोल. उधर मतलब कौन सा रिएक्शन होगा? वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. करोड़. चलो बेटा, कॉपी दिस. Copy this. Copy this. No. No means no. ये नहीं कॉपी का चल मैं एग्जांपल.
सर हो गया. हाँ हो गए.
Oxy.
ये केबीसी में आपके ₹1 का चेक है.
Wait, I have given you 2 worksheet. Please remove this worksheet. Okay. Now you can do this to entire worksheet. You will do and come.
किधर से?
ये देखो ये दोनों वर्कशीट दिया था. ये पूरा आप अभी कर सकते हो. Entire. Except for this agent you cannot do, but yeah, you can do. Now what is redox reaction, beta? Let me do this last part. 2 minutes are remaining. The reaction. Listen. Now the reaction in which oxidation and reduction both take place simultaneously. Both take place. I'm going to tell you. Simultaneously. We call it as which reaction? Redox reaction. अच्छा no. I'll tell you बेटा wait. तो उसके लिए बेटा तुमको है ना पहले ना एजेंट्स वगैरह आना चाहिए. आई एम इरेजिंग दिस पार्ट ना वेट. Okay, I am going to do that, beta. This redox reaction and oxidizing and reducing agent. I am going to explain you in next class. Okay, you are going to complete the worksheet. Who have not received the worksheet?
Okay.